Ali Sagar wants privacy.
Okay. Okay. So it is LSA. Don't worry, you won't be there. It's only for me. So LSA is 4x square, right? Okay. Now, what will be its TSA?
6x square.
How?
Because we took 4 sides of for LSF, so top and bottom added
Great.
will be
So this
6.
is
Right.
6x square. Okay, fine. Very nice. So Ali, can you tell me what will be its volume now? Simple.
X cube.
X cube. Because I'm going to, yes, the volume is given as, yes, the volume is given as X cube, right? Okay. Is that thing clear? A very easy question. Let's do very easy question on it. Very easy question. You also can, you people can easily do it. After that, I will show one more question of this. Suppose I will say, let's take about the cuboid. Let the dimensions of, let the dimensions of cuboid be 3, that is length is 3. Let us suppose length you can take 7, breadth you can take 4, and height you can take 3. Okay, can you tell me what will be its volume? Very easy, because you know volume is length in breadth.
84. Whatever the unit is.
Let's take the unit as centimeter. Is it so? That is 7 cross 4 cross 3. Okay, that is equal to 84 centimeter cube. Remember the area, in the area, what will be the unit that will be carrying out?
Centimeter square in area.
For area, because here, why centimeter square, why not cube?
Sir, you're multiplying two lengths, not
Because
three.
we are
So
taking
centimeter into
2
centimeter,
dimensions
centimeter
at a
square.
time. We are taking 2 dimensions at a time in an area. In the volume, we are taking 3 dimensions. So for area, it will be centimeter square, right? Is that thing clear? Is that thing clear? Okay, a very easy question, a very easy question for you people. In fact, see, let's take the question. I will give you the diagram of it as well. External dimensions, external dimensions of wooden box. What does that mean, external dimension? Can anyone explain this to me?
The outer thinking.
Outer thinking, that means there is some thickness of wood as well, isn't it?
Yes.
When it will be external and internal? Umair, can you tell me?
Sir, when it is hollow, then it will be external.
Obviously, there should be some thickness of a wood, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice. So it is 20, 25 and this centimeter. If thickness of each side is 2 centimeter, that means what is this thickness? This is the thickness of the foot, isn't it? Find the volume of wooden container. No. Find the volume of wood, not wooden. Find the volume of wood contained to form cuboid. Can anyone tell me how this is done? See, I will share a image of this as well. Fine. Let's, yeah. Who can do this? Raise your hands. Who can do this? Wait a second. See, this is your wooden box. Okay, you have to see how much wood is used inside it. Yes, who will explain this to me? Anyone? Anyone?
Sir, I can explain if you want.
That's good.
So should I or not?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay. So first what I will do is I will find the external volume. Then I will find the internal volume by multiplying the dimensions, obviously. Then I have the thickness given 2 centimeter. It means each plank which is fixed in the edge has a thickness of 2 centimeter. So I will do 35 into 25 into 2, 25 into 20, and I will do like this, and then I will subtract it with the main volume. So I will
Exactly.
find the volume
Great,
of wood.
great. So see, first of all, what I will do, you can find the volume of this internal one and external one. John, can you do?
Yes, sir.
Come on, do it. Ritika, everyone else.
External volume is 1500 centimeter cube.
How much?
1500 centimeter cube.
1500. Okay. So for this thing, you need to find first external volume. So external volume will be external. Is Ishan there? Mohammad Ishan? That is 30 cross 25 cross 20, right? That will be 15,000 centimeter cube. Is that clear? Yes. Is that clear? Yes, Hasni. Can you tell me what should be the next step? Hasni? Yeah. You need to find the volume of a wood.
The internal volume?
Internal volume. So first of all, you need to find the internal dimensions. Isn't it? What will be the internal dimensions? Come on, tell me. What will be the internal length? How much?
2.
Okay. 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 Fine, 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 fine. Fine. Ritika, are you there?
Sir, I'm here.
Okay. Come on, tell me. What will be the internal length?
Internal length would be
Your camera is
26.
off. How?
Be 26.
Why 26?
Because 2 centimeters on both sides and 30
Very
minus.
good. Because 2 centimeters has to be subtracted from both sides. Hasni, you got it. Because see, when you have a length like this. Okay. This is 30. You are subtracting 2 centimeters from here, 2 centimeters from here. So overall, it will be 26. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So what will be internal breadth? Yes. So
21.
breadth is 25. So it will be 21 centimeter. Isn't it? What will be height? Same is the case for height as well. That will be 16 centimeter. So what will be internal volume? Yeah. What will be internal volume? Come on, tell me. That's 26 into 21 into 16. How much that is?
736.
8736.
8, 7. You will tell, sir, this 8 looks like 0. 8. Yeah. 736 centimeter cube. This is the internal volume. Can anyone tell me how to find the total amount of wood used? Volume of wood that you mean?
External volume minus internal volume.
Very good. Very good. Volume of wood used. Is that you, Jatin?
Yes, sir.
Jatin, you were absent from past few sessions.
Yes, sir. I have my
Why?
terms coming up. That's why.
Okay, 6264 centimeter cube. Is that thing okay? Okay, Harshita. No issue. Is that thing okay? Okay, fine. Now let's go to the next part. Next solid surface. Yeah, that's a cylinder. Let's go for the dimension, this credentials of the cylinder. First of all, we will check. So this is your right circular cylinder. Fine. This is your cylinder. Fine. Okay. This is its height. This is its radius. Okay. So first of all, does it have, Joan, a curved surface area or a lateral surface area?
So it has a curved surface area.
Yeah, you can put your hands down. You can put your hands down. Yes,
So it has a curved surface area.
exactly. It has a curved surface area. So what will be that curved surface area? Come on, tell me. What will be that curved surface area?
So the circumference of the circle
Hmm.
into the height.
That is 2 pi RH. And most of the times you can use this as the circumference of a circle into height, right? Okay. Now, what will be its TSA? TSA means, what do you mean by TSA? TSA means curved
Total
surface area and the sum of two bases. That is the upper base and the lower base. Is it? Is it? So the total surface area will be, first of all, curved surface area. That is 2 pi RH plus upper base, upper circle. Yeah. How much it is? Pi r square plus and the lower one. So I can directly write it as 2 pi r, right? And in fact, I can take 2 pi r common and I will get h plus r. This is your total surface area. And what about volume? Yes,
pi r square h.
Square.
pi r square h. Okay. Is that okay? Let's do a question. Easy question. Question is, whosoever knows the answer, just raise your hand. How to do it? Because I'm going to ask the explanation from you people. The circumference of the top of cylinder is 22 centimeter. Okay. And height is 7 centimeter, right? What you need to do, find CSA. CSA means curved surface area.
Curved surface.
And TSA. TSA means total surface area, Abhiram, of a cylinder. Only two people. Chavi, your camera is off. Why?
Sir, I'm not feeling well today. That's
Okay, no issue. Yeah, only 10 persons are raising their hands. Why? Sai, you don't know how it is done? Sai?
Yes, sir, I know.
Then I told to raise the hand, whosoever knows it. Shavani?
Sir, just 1 minute. I'm just checking. I'll raise if I can.
Yeah, sure. Sure. Aditi?
yes, sir. Even I'm checking.
Yeah. What's the new thing it is? This is the easiest thing. Shall I show it or I will wait for your answers? Shall I show or wait for your answers? Come on, tell me.
Sir, wait.
How much? Okay, Dhruv. Very nice. Correct. Jatin, only one part is done. What about the other one? Fine. I'm waiting for your answers. Ali, I think CSA is wrong. Ali. TSA for Abhiram, CSA both is correct. Tuba, you can check for your TSA.
Sir, it was a typing error. I sent my answer again.
Sir, is my
Exactly. Good.
sir, is my answer correct?
Dhruv, yours? Oh,
Umer.
sorry, Umair. Prisha. Wait, I'm checking. Mm. Umair, are you sure about the TSA?
Yeah, I'll check again.
Ali, correct. Chavi, it's okay. For CSA, but you haven't given me the TSA. Sayam.
It's a by mistake, literally sent that one.
And the units are not completely. Aditi, no, not at all. Avni, good, correct. Shall I show it? Shall I show it? Listen.
Yes.
Listen. Shri Vishwa, no. See.
Sir, my TSA is correct now, right? The last one was mistake.
Yeah. Now, if you find the CSA, if you only have to find the CSA, CSA means 2 pi r. Yes, 2 pi r h, isn't it? This is the circumference and this is the height. So CSA was simply 22 multiplied by 7, isn't it? That is equal to 154 centimeter square, isn't it? But since you also know the TSA, also need the TSA. So what is the formula for the TSA? For the formula for the TSA, it is 2 pi r plus h. That means you should know the value of radius, right? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, so how to do it? First of all, you can find the radius by circumference is equal to, yes, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Come on, use the formula for the circumference. That is 2 pi r is equal to 22, right? So I can say r is equal to 22 divided by 2 pi. This can be written as 22 divided by 2 into 22 by 7 because I use the value of this thing as 22 by 7. So this is written as 7 by 2 centimeter. This is your radius. Fine. Fine. Any
Yes.
confusion? Any confusion? There shouldn't be. Now you can directly use the formula to find the TSA. So TSA will be equal to, yes, TSA will be equal to 2 pi r plus h. And how much I will get that?
230.
231.
231.
231.
231 centimeter cube. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Those who got the answers wrong can rectify it. Fine, there might be some calculation error, so don't worry about it. But Shri Vishwa, you got the how it is to be done because you also got the
Yes,
answer
sir.
correct.
Yeah, actually, I
Okay.
got the answer, radius is 7 by 2.
Mhm.
Maybe in the final step, I made some mistake.
So there might be some calculation error.
Yeah, yeah.
There might be some calculation error. Don't worry. Okay. See, put your hands down. Put your hands down, everyone. Again, a very good question. See, you can expect a good number of the questions from the rectangle, sorry, the cylindrical part and conversion part from the one solid to the another. See, a rectangular sheet of paper has length 44 centimeter and breadth 18 centimeter. Okay, it is rolled. Do you got it? What do you mean by rolled?
Yes, yes,
sir.
sir.
Who will explain? Saim, can you tell? What does this mean? Along its length.
So
To,
it means
hmm,
like it is rolled to form a cylinder, I guess.
to form a cylinder. Yes. It's rolled to form a cylinder. Now, what's the step that you have to do? Find the TSA of cylinder. Okay. Find the TSA of cylinder. Okay, you can do one thing. Don't find TSA. You can find the volume of a cylinder. Because if I tell you to find the TSA, that means it should be covered from the top and the bottom. Okay. Can you do it or I will show? Come on, tell me. Fast.
Sir, wait for 2 minutes.
So what is the height?
Height is not given. You have to change the rectangular piece of paper into the cylinder.
No, what is the
Sir,
given part that you wrote? A rectangular sheet?
A rectangular sheet of paper
Okay.
has a length of 44 centimeter. That means it is converted. Let us suppose I will give you a piece of a paper. It's here. See, this is here a piece of paper. Okay. This is rectangular. Okay. Isn't it? So this is a length. This part is a length. So I'm just converting this into this form. See, this is the form I'm converting it. So can you tell me which side is remaining constant, which side is remaining constant, and which side is getting folded? Breadth is getting constant. That means the height of a cylinder is the breadth, and this length gets rolled as the yes. Who will tell me? This length gets rolled as a
circumference.
very nice. So if the length is rolled as a circumference, so you can take the length as a circumference as breadth as the height. That's it. Got the answer.
Sir, the breadth is 10 or 18? Oh,
18, 18, 18, 18. Umair, I have written 8 very properly now. Yeah, come on, fast. Aditi and Ritika. Ritika, are you sure? Jatin, oh my God, so many different answers. That means I need to show it myself.
Sir, wait for 2 minutes.
By the way, Marina, your answer is correct. Dhruv answer is correct. Shri Vishwa, it's wrong. Jatin, no. Try it again. Ritika, no. Aditi, correct. Hasni, good.
Sir, is mine correct?
Umair, correct. Ali, correct. Marina, I already told about it. Chavi, very good. Toba, correct. Joan, Sayam, Jatin, nice. Sai, great. Yeah. Sayam, I think I told you about you already. No, Shri Vishwa, it's wrong. It's easy. It's not that too big.
Sir, is my answer correct now?
Oh, Ritika?
Sir, Ritika.
No, Ritika. Ritika, come on, tell me what you got the radius.
Sir, I got radius as 14.
No, that's wrong. How you calculated the radius? Can you tell me?
I took 44 as the circumference.
So 44 as the circumference, that is 2 pi r is equal to 44. Yes, after that.
Yeah. And
So
then
r will be equal to 44 over 2
Mm.
into pi.
20. Yeah.
So 44 divided by 2 into 22,
And
divided
7.
by 7, that will be here, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
2 into 22, that is 44. This and this will be cancelled. So you will get 7. How come you
Oh.
say that it is 40?
Oh, I forgot the 2. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now, yes, Shavani. Ritika, you gave me this answer now, 396. Are you sure? Just use the formula for the volume, pi r square h. What is h?
18.
Okay, just use this thing. This is 22 upon 7 into 7 square into 18. That will be
Pi r h.
pi r?
Pi r h.
No, it is pi r square h. It is pi r square h. I have already told you. It is pi r square h, the volume. Okay, let's move to the cone. Okay, for a cone, let's see what are the things that we need to know about the cone. Let us suppose this is your cone. I have told you how this cone is formed. Does anyone remember?
So you
Yes.
said that
Sir, rolling a right triangle.
Rolling a
Right triangle.
right triangle.
Yes.
no, sir, you said that there was this line around along an axis. You
There
roll
was
it to
a
form
line
two
like
cones.
this, and after that, there is a line when it is moved around it. That is called a generator. If you remember that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dhruv, have I told or not?
Sir,
Yes,
can you
sir.
show that again? Can you show that again?
I think I'm lagging. Am I lagging?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the radius.
Sir, can you show that formation of cone again?
Simple. Take a line like this. One pencil, another pencil like this. Rotate this pencil around this. So you will get the solid figure formed. It's known as a cone. It has two naps. This is known as a double napped cone. Umair, I have told you this. You were also present that time.
Yeah, sir, I think I forgot it.
Okay. This is the height.
Sir, then I mean that the surface area, curved surface area, and the total surface area in the double napped cone will be the double of this thing, right?
Obviously.
Yes.
That is the obvious thing. Okay. This is known as L. What is L? Slant height. Isn't it? Your L is a slant height. Come on, tell me the relationship between L, H, and R. That is L square is equal to H square plus R square. Jatin, can you tell me how I got this relation?
Sir, because it's a right angle triangle.
It's a right triangle, simple. And its curved surface area is equal to pi RL, and its total surface area will be equal to the curved surface area pi RL and adding the base, that is pi R square, right? If I take a common pi R, this will be R plus L, isn't it? So this is your total surface area. And can anyone tell me what will be its volume?
pi r
1
square
by
h.
3, 1 by 3 pi r square h.
So its volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Remember, that is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Isn't it? This volume of a cylinder. If this cone is enclosed within a cylinder, let us suppose this is a cylinder. Fine. If this cone is enclosed within a cylinder, then its volume will be equal to the 1 by 3 volume of a cylinder. Is that clear? Is that clear? This thing
Yes,
has been
sir.
also explained to you people. Isn't it? Is that or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go to the question. Question is area of base of cone is 1078 centimeter square. That's the area of a base. Okay. And height of cone is 21 centimeter. Is that okay? So what you need to find CSA of cone. Is that okay? Who can do it? Raise your hands. Harshita, you can put your hand down, Harshita. Who will explain this to me? Wait, let me ask myself.
Then how will you ask yourself?
Hasni, do you know how it is to be done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, how?
So you have to find the radius of the base from since
How?
pi r square will be equal to 1078.
Good.
So we have to divide 1078
Nice.
by pi, and
Yes,
so
after
can I
that.
just do the answer and show?
Yeah, you people can do it. Come on. Come on, everyone. You people can do it. Start doing it. Avani, you don't know how it is done?
Sir, I'm like still doing it. So.
Is there anyone who is not able to do it? You people can write me in the chat. Abhiram, are you able to do it?
Yes, sir.
Hasib?
Sir, I'm doing.
Let me start doing it. Area of base, that is equal to pi r square. That is given as 1078. That is equal to pi r square. Is that okay? Is that thing okay?
Yes,
Come on,
sir.
chat. Okay. Now, what's the next thing that you need to do? Find the value of r. So r square will be equal to 1078 multiplied by 7 by 22. Because you know pi is equal to 22 by 7. After turning on the other side, it will be 7 by
So
22.
r will be 7 root 7.
R square will be equal to, this is 343. So r will be equal to, yes?
7 root 7.
7 root 7. Okay, good. Now, yes. What do you need to find?
The slant height,
Slant height. Why?
because you
IRL,
need
sir.
it in the CSA.
Because we need to go for the CSA, right? Oh my God, where I got this?
So where to find the PSA, right?
I was here. Okay. Now, what will be CSAS? Come on. First of all, I need to find the slant height. Slant height L is equal to, yes, L square is equal to H square plus R square. What is L? What's H?
21.
21 square
21.
plus 7 root 7 whole square. Okay. This will be equal to 441 plus 49 into 7. That is equal to 343. Okay. This is L square. So L will be equal to under root of, yes,
784.
784. That is equal to 28 centimeter. Very nice. So after that, when you got the L, when you got the R, so CSA will be
Pi RL.
pi RL. Very nice. So pi RL is equal to 22 upon 7 into, what is R? Come on, tell me, what is R?
7 root 7.
7 root 7. And after that?
28 into 28.
28.
Sir, after solving, I got 616 root 7.
Ali? Did he went? Yeah. Okay, put your hands down. Ali, are you there? Okay, fine. This is equal to 616.
616 root 7. 616 root 7.
Is there anyone who cancelled this 7 and this 7? Huh? Is this possible? I think.
You should not cut the root sign, but you should cut the numerical sign.
No, Ali, you should cut the root sign.
But Ali, I have heard that if you have root 7 divided by 7, 7 and 7 will cut, I will get root.
Sir, that is if you use brain to do maths, not kidneys.
Okay.
Sir, remove that strike from root 7. If anyone will see it, he will say, what math sir is this?
What, sorry?
What math sir is this?
I'm not getting you, Umair.
Leave it, sir.
Okay, left.
Appreciating the genius. Let's go.
Okay, fine. Now let's move for sphere. What is the CSA of sphere?
4 pi r square.
4 pi r square.
What will be its TSA?
Same.
Why?
Because there's only one surface.
Easy.
Yeah.
Good. And what will be its, if I take the half of it, that is equal to the,
2 pi
that
r
is known
square.
as hemisphere.
Hemisphere.
Hemisphere is like this. Okay. Hemisphere is like this. Okay. What is the CSA of hemisphere?
2 pi r square.
2 pi r square.
No one will answer. No one will answer. 2 pi r square. Jatin, what will be its TSA?
Sir, I'm not sure. I think 3 pi r square.
Why? Why not 2
Sir,
pi r square?
Sir, because it has a base.
Because this top side is added to it, that is equal to pi r square. That is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
3
3 pi r square.
Very nice. So what is the volume of this thing?
Hemisphere or sphere?
4 by 3 pi r.
3 pi r
Pi r cube.
And volume for this
And the
thing is
volume is 2 by
2 by 3
pi r
pi
cube.
r.
2 by 3 pi r
Very
cube.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
One simple question for this. Question. How many spherical bullets can be made out of a cube of lead whose edge is 22 centimeter. What do you mean by edge? That means length of one of the side is 22 centimeter. Since in a cube that each side is equal, so we can find the volume. Whatever we have to find, we can do it. Okay. Each bullet having diameter of 2 centimeters. Talha, do you join now? Why you join late? Okay, who is able to do it? Tell me. Tell me who is able to do it. And you people have to explain this thing as well. Come on, tell me. Prisha, what have you given this to me? Is this total bullets or is this volume or what is this?
Oh,
Sir, is my
sir,
answer
that's
correct?
how many bullets?
Sir,
Oh
is
my-
my answer correct?
Everyone is getting it wrong, I think.
Sir, is mine correct? I think it is correct.
You think it's correct, but it's not necessary what you think should be
Sir,
correct.
is it correct or not?
Let me see. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Sir, do you know the answer or are you also
Yeah, I know
silent?
the answer. I know the answer.
Sir, but there is
Chavi,
only
your
one
answer.
question, right?
Your
That's a
answer is correct. Chavi, Jatin, Omer, wrong. Dhruv, wait, wrong. I think you have made some typing error, Dhruv. We can check it. Shri Vishwa, wrong. Prisha, correct. See, let me explain. Let me explain. What you will do first of all, see, this is a cube. First of all, you need to see the volume of a cube, right? When you will get the volume of a cube, then I can cut the bullets out of it. That means, first of all, I need the volume of a cube. So what is the volume of a cube? Yes, volume of a cube. That is 22
22 cube.
How much it is?
10648.
10648 centimeter cube, isn't it? Now, after that, I will find the
Sir,
volume.
Sir, now is it correct? So now is it correct?
Yes, Umair. Very nice, wrong.
Okay. Sir, one thing.
Okay,
Same, it's wrong. Same, you have find the volume of this cube. You don't have to find the volume of this cube. After that, what is the radius of a bullet?
1.
1 meter. 1
1 meter.
centimeters. Sorry.
1 centimeter. So what do you need to find? You need to, since it is spherical in nature, you need to find the volume of a bullet. What is volume of bullet?
It will be 4 by 3 pi r.
4 by 3 pi r cube. That is equal to 4 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 1 cube. So my answer will be
88 by 20.
88 by
21.
Sir, don't calculate it now, otherwise it will be harder to simplify it.
88 by 21, right? These are the volume of the bullets, centimeter cube. Okay, so total bullets used, total bullets formed. Yeah, come on, tell me. Total bullets formed will be
Volume of cube divided
Volume
by
of cube
Simple.
upon the number of bullets.
Volume of cube upon
Volume of sphere.
volume of bullet. Okay, just divide it, get the answer. That is 10648 divided by 88 by 21. That is
Sir, I've sent it to you now.
10648 multiplied by 21 divided by 88.
Sir, that's why you shouldn't have simplified it. No, it is very big.
2541.
It will be 2541. Sir.
Yes, sir. It's 2541.
Got it? Is that
Sir, I did it in another way.
Tuba, what is it? 1 by 2541.
Sorry, sir, calculation mistake.
Not calculation. It is a typing mistake. Not calculation. You have done it correct.
Oh,
Yes, Abhiram, you were going to say something.
Sir, I wasn't.
Who was it then? Shall we go quickly to the embankment problems?
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, what's meant by the embankment? Can anyone explain this to me? What's meant by the embankment?
So basically, while digging a well, the amount of sand you dig out
Great.
is the amount used to build the barrier.
Suppose I dig out a well. Okay. This is the well that is being dig out. Okay. When I dig out a well, so the mud or whatever it is inside, that is to be put outside, and that thing is used to make a stage around it. Let us suppose I will make this is a well like this, and that mud, whatever the stuff I got from here, that is actually used to make a stage, or we can say around it, and that is known as, you might have seen it, this thing is known as an embankment, right? Isn't this what you have seen? Like this?
Yes, sir.
Like this. Okay. See, first of all, you need to see one more thing. Remember, had you people seen this? Is this any person having any confusion about this thing? We can join it like this as well. Let us suppose it was like this, to make it more precise. This is like an embankment. Okay. First thing that you need to know here. First thing, this is known as the thickness. Thickness is equal to
Outer radius minus
Outer
inner
radius.
radius.
very nice embankment. That is, thickness is equal to outer radius minus inner radius. Let us suppose outer radius is R and the inner radius is R, right? And one more thing that you need to remember here, volume of cylinder is equal to volume of embankment. Why? Why?
Sir, because the thing you digged out was
Because
first
whatever
inside the
you take
cylinder.
out from it, it will be the same that is spread around it. Simple. Isn't it? Is that so or not? Any person having any confusion in it? How I'm saying that the volume of a cylinder is equal to the volume of embankment. Ritika, you have a confusion?
Sir, I just forgotten to lower my hand down.
Okay. Okay. And what is the volume of embankment? Remember, volume of embankment is equal to pi r square minus r square, that is pi r square minus r square into h. Is that clear? R square means this is the
Outer radius.
small r is the
Inner radius.
very nice. Is that clear? Is that thing clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do a simple question on it. Okay. The question is, if the diameter of well is 10 centimeter and it is 8.4 centimeter deep. Centimeter deep means, what can you say about it? Centimeter deep.
Height.
Height is
Height.
50.
Earth removed from the well is used to make an embankment around it. Okay. That means I have to make an embankment around it. Is that okay? If the thickness of embankment is 7.5 centimeter, okay, find height of embankment. How many of you got this question? Fast. Listen, again saying, let us suppose this is an embankment. This is an embankment around a well, okay? Okay, see, this width, that means the thickness of this embankment is given to be 7.5. Can I say this is 7.5 this much? Okay, you have to find the height of this embankment. The height of this hole is given as 8.4 and the radius of this thing is given as, yes, 5 centimeter, because when the diameter is 10 centimeter, it simply means that the radius will be, yes, 5 centimeter. Shall I show it?
No, sir. Wait.
Sir, including the embankment height, it's 8.4.
Yeah, till here. Come on, do it fast. Jatin, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. Correct. Sai, very good. Nice. Listen how you do it. No, Chavi, it's wrong. What's the volume of well? Yes. What's the volume of well?
460.
R square H. That's 22 upon 7 into 5 square into 8.4. Yes, how much it is? See, listen, since you have to equate both of them, don't give the value to the pi. Okay, never give value of pi in this, because when you are equating the volume of a well is equal to volume of embankment, this pi and pi is going to be cancelled. Easy, isn't it? Now, what is the volume of embankment? Volume of, we can say volume of embankment is equal to volume of well, as I told you earlier, is equal to volume of well. What is the volume of embankment? That is pi r square minus r square into h. That is equal to, yes, what is this? That is 210 pi. But you only know the thickness. See, here you have to find few more things. Here you know the thickness. Thickness means r minus r is equal to h. What is the inner radius? Come on, tell me, what is the inner radius? 5.
5 centimeters.
So r is equal to, yes, is equal to 1.5, 7.5, sorry. Okay, this is equal to 7.5 plus r. That is equal to 7.5 plus 5. That is equal to 12.5. Is that clear? Is that thing clear? Okay.
Yes.
Now give the values. That is equal to, you can cancel out here pi and pi. This is 12.5 whole square minus 7.5 whole square into h is equal to 210. What is 12.5 whole square? That is 156.25 minus, what is 7.5 whole square? That is, yes, not 7.5. That is 5 only. This is not 7.5 because the inner radius is 5. This thickness is 7.5. Do you got the difference between the thickness and the radius? Thickness means only this surface, outer to inner. This is 7.5. This surface, this from distance to distance here is 5. And distance from this to this at the end is 12.5 because I find both of them. This is equal to 25. This is equal to h, that is 210. Okay. 156 point, this thing will be 131.25. This is equal into multiplied by h is equal to 210. So h will be equal to 210 divided by 131.25. That is equal to 1.6 centimeter. Is that clear? Depending upon the unit that I have took. What's the unit that I took?
Per centimeter, right?
It should be meter. Let's go. It should be meter. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Shri Vishwesh, are you having any problem? Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
Tuba, got it? Sayam?
Yes, sir.
Muni?
Yes, I understand.
Joan? Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now let's go quickly to the water related problems. See, what is the thing that I told? It's not too big. It will be completed within a small fraction of time. Yes. You have raised your hands. Why? Put your hands down. Put your hands down fast. Remember, remember, I have told you that if this is a water pipe, cylindrical flow, okay, okay, this is the length of the pipe, okay, isn't it? Or in this case, we can take length as the height of a pipe. You know, if the speed is, let us suppose x, x, let's take anything, x meter per second. Now, I have told you, if you are taking this as a unity, this speed is actually equal to the distance. So can I say length is equal to speed into time? When you are taking this time as unity, so length will be equal to the speed. So whatever the speed of a water will be through this pipe, that is actually the length of this cylinder if you are taking the time as a unity. That means unity time means 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 second, like that. You got the concept or not? Suppose I will tell you, the water in the pipe is moving with the speed of 5 kilometer per hour. Okay. Okay. So what will be the speed? What will be the length of this? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 5 and r, you can take unity, that you will get the distance of this thing. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, should we convert it into meter per second?
Depends. If you need to, if the units are given there, then you can convert that into meter per second, whatever the units are there. Let us suppose I will give you a question. Suppose water is flowing. How many of you got this concept? Raise your hand. Raise your hand fast. Jatin, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
How many of you got this? Raise your hand. Come on, tell me fast. Water is flowing at rate of 15 kilometer per hour. Why only 14%? Ali, Marina, Harshita, and Sai. Sai, what happened? The water is flowing at the rate of 15 kilometer per hour through a, put your hands down, cylindrical pipe of diameter, through a cylindrical pipe of diameter, you can take the diameter as 14 centimeter, right? Into a cuboidal tank. Into a cuboidal tank with length as 50 meter, breadth as, you can take this as 14 meter as well. No, 14 centimeter, because I'm going to change it. 50 meter, breadth you can take as 44 meter. Find time. See what you have to do. Find time in which water raises to 21 centimeter. See, remember, what is to be given here? What's to be given here? It is, there is a cylindrical pipe. right? There is a cylindrical pipe like this. A water is flowing into it and it is dropping down in the form of a cuboidal tank like this. Okay, there is a cuboidal tank, the water is getting poured down into this. You have to find the height in which the water raises to the level of a 21 centimeter, and the length and the breadth of this cuboidal tank is 50 and 44. You know what is the concept that you are going to use in this. Since the speed is equal to 15 kilometer per hour and all other credentials are given in the form of a meter, that means you need to change this speed in the form of a meter per hour. Got it? Got it or not?
Yes.
Sir, can you change 15 kilometer per hour to 18 kilometer per hour?
Sorry?
Can you change 15 kilometer per hour to 18 kilometer per hour?
18 kilometer per hour.
Yes.
Why?
Sir, it will make the question like 10 times easier.
Okay.
I'm joking. Don't change it. It is because 5 into 5 by 18 will convert it into meter per second.
Let us see. First of all, the speed will be, change it into the meters. Can I say it is 15,000 meter per hour? Is it or not? Now, here, if I take time as 1, so what will be height? If I take it as 1 hour, if I take it as 1 hour, if I take the time as, I told you, if I take the time as a unity, that is the per hour, per second, per minute, like that. Okay, so height that I told, it is the distance, is equal to speed into time, that is equal to 15,000 into 1, that is equal to 15,000 meters. So you got the height. For the cylinder, only one thing was missing, that is the height. By the help of a speed, you got the height. Is that clear? Yeah, Dhruv, I know you can do it. You do. He has done it. Now, what is the volume of cylinder in 1 hour? Because I am taking the height only for 1 hour, distance for only 1 hour. What is the volume of a cylinder in 1 hour? Yes, that is pi r square h. That is 22 upon 7 into r. What is r? What is r? Yes, diameter is 14 centimeter, so radius will be 7 centimeter. That is equal to 7 by 100 meter. Is that clear? Though that is 7 by 100 whole square into h. H is 15,000. Is that clear? Is that clear? So 17 will be cancelled, and this 2 and all will be cancelled. You will get this as 231 meter cube. Is that clear? Now let's suppose we will find the volume of cuboid. What is the volume of a cuboid? That's the length, that's 50. That's the breadth, that is 44. And that's the height. Height is how much you have to take. That is 21 centimeter. That is converted in 21 divided by 100. And this thing is equal to 462 meter cube. Okay. Now, this is the volume in 1 hour. This is the total volume in a cuboid. So time taken will be, remember, this is the volume in 1 hour. This is the total time it will take to cover the whole, whatever it is, how much water it will be poured. Let us suppose a cylinder is pouring this in 1 hour, this much volume is being thrown out by the cylinder, and this is the total volume which is in the cylinder. So how much time it has been taken? Simply, it is 462 divided by 231, that is 2 hours. Simple. Got it or not? Got it or not?
Yes, sir.
How many of
Yes,
you
sir.
got it? How many of you got it? Raise your hand. Harshita, Jatin. Jatin, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Sai? Okay, correct. Good. So, any confusions? Any confusion?
Sir, tomorrow what chapter we will do?
I think we should start with the area of a parallelogram and triangle. See, I took 30 minutes extra just to complete the whole thing, because you know this surface area and volume, this is a vast thing to cover. Okay, and I tried to show the each and every example. Okay, I tried to show the every example to you people. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So any confusion? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Sir.